Honorable Minister for HRD, Shri Kapil Sivalji, Honorable Minister of State of HRD, Srimati Purandareswari ji, Dr. R.K. Pachori, Director General TERI, Ms. Diana Markham, Library of Congress, US, Professor N. Balakrishnan, Distinguished Information Scientist, Dr. Debel Kaur, Fellow of the TERI, delegates, guests, friends from the media. First of all, let me thank TERI for collaborating with Indira Gandhi National Open University for organizing this very important event. There is no need of emphasizing the importance of an event of this kind. This is the third of the series started by TERI. Let me thank TERI for collaborating with us. The technological advances in the area of storage, representation, and retrieval of different types of media have contributed to the growth of digital multimedia libraries in a multitude of perspectives. Digital libraries permit storage, retrieval, and dissemination of collections of digital works of all sorts. They ensure persistence over time so that they are readily and cost-effectively available for use by a specific defined community or a set of communities. The functionalities of a digital library service satisfy the needs of widely different users as learners, students, academia, researchers, and others. The improvement in design, development, and evaluation can have major organizational, national, and international impacts as well. Better tools and technologies are needed to support the designers to improve usability and effectiveness of digital libraries. Education and research in the network area are changing the role of academic and research organizations all over the world. E-education can bring open access, improved quality, and reduced costs. And particularly in highly populated developing countries, use of such technology is very important. The scaling up is the real challenge of developing countries. Only with improvement in quality we can really scale up. So improving the quality of the teaching learning process as well as to enhance the quantity of education delivery, this can happen only with appropriate and contextualized use of information and communication technology, and digitization has a great role in that respect. The enabling of new kinds of learning using internet as an interactive media and as a new education tool can bring virtual education environments. Governments, corporates, education institutions, and research organizations are spending huge amounts on digital libraries around the world for resolving the complex and advanced forms of information with multiplicity of functions and features. The Indira Gandhi National Open University, in its Silver Jubilee year, is proud to co-host the third International Conference on Digital Libraries, ICDL 2010, with the Energy and Resource Institute TERI. The Energy Research Institute is organizing this prestigious international conference third time with overwhelming success. Apart from being major partner of the conference, IGNOU is also hosting the tutorials and workshops in its own campus in connection with this conference. The theme of the conference, Shaping the Information Paradigm, is relevant to all stakeholders based on the mission and vision of Indira Gandhi National Open University. ICDL 2010 is providing opportunity to extend global practices to strengthen its area of information and communication technology, web-based methodologies, and digitization of resources for providing seamless access to all, including the hitherto unreached. The entire education content of Indira Gandhi National Open University, developed during the last 25 years, it is in the open education resources since last few months. Anybody can learn it, and only when they want a degree or a certification from the university, they need to pay it, otherwise it is free. We are the first university in the country to enter into the OER arena. I am sure that the ICDL 2010 will provide an effective platform for interaction among digital library experts, researchers, academics, and students in this fast advancing area. It will also enable developed and developing countries to bridge the digital divide through knowledge sharing. I wish the conference all success. Thank you very much.